Hello ladies, just sit and watch how I make this wonderful necktie. It looks unique, it looks special, it makes you stand out. Just don't worry, it doesn't take much time. Sit and watch how you can do it yourself. The step-by-step tutorial is coming up in a jiffy. Take it up or take it down. Sit, watch and enjoy. So for some of you that usually complain, I don't like my neck to be open like this. I don't like wearing black and black, so I'm wearing black and black. Or you've gotten to a place, maybe you've gone to church, maybe where you are coming from is calm as you are, but you've gotten to a place, you've gone to watch maybe for the first time, and they say, no, your neck is widely open, you cannot enter like that. Or I've gone to a place you are cold or not comfortable again to leave your neck this way. Just move down your soft head tie and do this. Just simple fashion you can do for yourself and look unique, or you stand out. Just watch me. This is just head tie. This soft one, even if it is hard, no problem. Okay, this is the way it is. This is the way it is. Okay, let me just relax. This is the way it is. Just do it like this. Okay, like this, like this. You see it? You see it like this. You see like this. See the way it is, like a triangular form. So what do? You forward it. You bring this down here. Then hold this one here. Do you understand? That's it. Go to the middle. So what's the next thing you do? You start doing a kind of gathering like this, like this, like this, like this. You get this to the side, get to the back. Take it to this side, take it to the back. Take it to this side, take it to this side. Like this, like this, like this, like this. So you've gotten what you want to get. Look at it. See? Then what's next is your rubber band. It's already here. It's a rubber band. I like crossing my legs, I will relax. You band it just at the edge of the place. Just band it. So it's not strong enough. Let me make it strong. So this is our rubber band. Make sure it is tight so it doesn't lose or embarrass you. So this is exactly what I want us to get. This is it. Now what's next? Even this alone should tell you that we are getting to something unique. Look at it. What do? You bring this, see, bring that, see, so what we have. Bring this and that. I'm not using this side. I'm turning to this side. You can use any side anyway. You can go that. That's something I want to get. This side, why I'm using this side has this I want to scatter, while the other side is just plain. It depends on what you want, but I prefer coming to use this side. This side, right? So what's the next thing? Just to cover the open neck. This is it. And make sure this comes out, it doesn't choke you. Let it come here first. I will tell you what you do next. Take it to your back. That you're going to tie it is not going to be over because it's just something small that looks like you're wearing a necklace. Don't make it too tight so it doesn't choke you. I will show you how the back looks like. That is it. Even like this alone is okay, right? But at least we want to cover this place. So bring out this. See the space to never choke you. Bring it out. What do you have to do next? You just scatter that place. As wide or as small as you want it, right? As you want it big, you want it small, you want it to cover all, you want to just cover a little, you still have some part of this place showing. Not somebody just your shoulder, right? At least the place that's giving you concern is covered. So you scatter it. If you like, you leave it this way. See, it is open here, so it does not choke. See the space. So that you wouldn't say this is just a fashion that will get to your neck. You don't want it to get to your neck. There's a way you can still bring it down. Usually leave it this way, it's still fine, but just scatter it the way you want. Like I said, it doesn't choke, it's soft. There's space there. Even if you want to bring it down, if you want, you can actually use pin. If you want, actually use pin and put this one here, put this one here. But I want my own up. Like I always want my own like this. Let it fall on its own, right? But people will be wondering, what's she wearing? What kind of style is that? It makes it look unique, right? So you cannot just carry your bag. You choose your bag, and the color of your bag will show wisely. Since it is black and black and wearing this, can wear red shoe or red bag, but then you can bring it down here before you start complaining, giving me discomfort, does not make me feel comfortable. You can bring this in. You can bring it down this way. Off you go. Off you go. You can imagine you not go and sit like that executive lady that you are in your bag and shoe. I mean, to match bag and shoe, I would prefer this burgundy color for bag and shoe. If you want, you can still wear black and black. This has already covered every color of fashion you want because it is multiple colors, right? So anyone you want is fine. All I know is I want you to look unique. So just rate this. Are you gonna try it? Are you gonna try it? Let me repeat this. I always want mine to stand up like this. Do you understand? It can be like, it doesn't choke, it's soft. And that place is open. Then it can as well lift it this way. This way. Give it any style you want. With your hand, give it any style you want. Aren't you unique, guys? Let me get close. Aren't you unique, guys? Can't you see how unique this makes it look? So if you like what I've done here, kindly like, comment, and share this video. Help me out to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are coming to my channel for the very first time. Let me know the other style we want me to do next. Also, let me know on the comment section if you are gonna do that, if you're gonna try it, and each time you try it, please do want to tag me. Let me see how well you have done it. I see you guys again on my next tutorial video where I'm gonna teach you another style of how to stand out. Meanwhile, hope you watched my last video where I taught you how to style a simple but unique gele. Keep following your girl. Something new, something unique, something special is gonna be coming out of this channel. I'll see you guys again on my next video, and thank you for supporting your girl.